Welcome to Nepalyrics. This tutorial will show you how to add or contribute a song in Nepalyrics. To contribute a song, first you need to log in. Sign up if you don't have login account. Type singer name and press enter to add new singer or select existing user from drop-down list. You can convert YouTube video to audio using any online tool. Upload audio to Nepalyrics. It's easy to add profile or cover photo in Nepalyrics. Upload picture and use crop tool and save it. To sync an audio with lyrics, click Mic Plus button, then play a song and click on lyric line as song plays. Publish lyric karaoke and also publish a song with green publish button after you have completed contribution.